So what I've got here is the 1818, and I've already been working on the back of it. Been working on the back. So that's the best resolution I'm going to get for today, but I just couldn't wait to work on the front. It has, look at this, 1818 on it. And somebody had scratched it off sometime or other to where you could see. It's right there by that little white spot. That little piece of disease right there. Right here. It says 1818. And then there's, you can see, clear picture of, well, maybe not too clear. Kind of poopy. So what I had to do to the back of it. Oh, look at this already. Look at this. There's glue on it. Oh my lord. Somebody put glue on it. How deep is this? Ah. This is the only thing. This is the last resort. Seriously. That's some disease. I've seen this in the. There's actually a piece of iron stuck on there, which is something I had on another coin. A piece of iron stuck on it. Welding iron. I sent the Carpo. And you could just go nuts with a pocket knife on these. For real, man. Although I think I'm going to have to get out something a little bit more precise, like a needle. And just scrape all the crap off. See, you can't even see the words there. I don't know if you can see them now or not. So, protective barrier. Some kind of protective barrier here. What is that? Okay. This is good old faithful valve grinding compound. About out. Time to get some more. Let's just, what are we going to do? Let's just really get a nice layer of that on it. And see what we got. 1818. Beautiful. I'm like the other side. I have to take a pocket knife to the whole thing, every little nick and cranny, because it has got paint stuck in it. Glue, something really covered the whole surface. I think that's not like coming off at all. Whatever it is. I see you. I see you under there, girl. Ah ha ha, he's trying to hide from me. 1818, beautiful. $11.19. This is the most expensive penny I ever bought in my life. Crazy. I don't know why. This had to have an 1818. That's why. I guess somebody else wanted it too. A couple people. A lot of people wanted it. They gave up. Just outbid them. I wanted it more. I don't know what's going on with her ear. There is something on there. I think we're going to have to scrape it off. Wow, what in the world? Huh. No, it's the 1878. Oh. Well, guess I was wrong. It's an 1878. Boy, it's going to need some scratching. I see something right there. What is that? What is it? I know it was brass disease because it was green. And I don't like green. So bye-bye, green. What the heck's going on with her ear? Oh, well, that came right off, didn't it? I don't think that's supposed to be on there. Because it pretty much just came right off. Isn't it? Kind of. It's a big hole. It's a hole. For some reason, there's a hole there. Don't know exactly why. But... oh, brass disease. Did you hear that pop right off there? Oh, there's letters under there. Holy cow. No, there's not. Yeah, there is. Don't know. Maybe. Might be letters. Wow. It's quite a coin. You know? Beautiful. Sorry, I don't have very good resolution, but I gotta get that edge. There's supposed to be like little teeth thingies popping up all the way around the edge. And they get this guck in them. So I just go around there and scrape them out. Like that. You know? Circular motions are the best. I don't know. Ooh, 1878. I think I'm gonna find that right there to be acceptable. Let's see. There we go. 18 1878. $11. $11 and 19 cents. Wow. All right. See if I can't get a good photo. I'll probably be working on it for a while yet. Because it should say of right there. It doesn't have this stuff on it. And there's some stuff right there too. Oh, that come right off, see? The stuff comes off. It's not part of the coin. It's gunk. I need to go in between all these and it's either gunk or it's a hole like that, or like this a hole. I think I might even have found an ear. Found her ear. Got some burn down in there. That brass disease. Something gets under there and starts eating at it. I'm going to put wax in it. Take care of that. See how I just can't quit? I can't quit. Smells weird. I need a new fan. Alright. I'll go wash that off and be right back. Well, that's where it's at for right now. So, that's, yeah. You get a reflection here. Actually, that looks pretty natural. Right there. It's shinier than it was. Silly thing. There you go. Bam. uh, 1878.